most satisfying factory machines and smart tools you must see. The first sound you hear is steel colliding with steel. The cutter bites into metal. The engine spins like the heartbeat of a beast awakening. Every motion, every move, calculated down to the millimeter. Not a single beat out of sync. This isn't chaos. This is mechanical art, forged in steel and oil. Welcome to the world of factory machines, where every robotic arm, every conveyor belt, every piston stroke tells a story of perfection. These industrial giants don't just manufacture, they perform. When the blade meets the material, when the laser slices through the surface, when the automation line assembles each part together, they create a symphony of steel. And that feeling you get? That's what draws millions of people to those factory machine compilations online. The smooth, flawless movements, the satisfying clicks, whirs, and snaps, hitting right on cue. It's pure satisfaction, the kind only satisfying machines can deliver. But behind that visual thrill lies something deeper. A world of automation technology where human intelligence meets machine precision. A place where smart tools don't just work, they learn. You're not just watching a video, you're witnessing humanity's fourth revolution, where metal, data, and creativity merge into one perfect harmony. To understand the true power of factory machines, we have to look deeper into their very essence, absolute precision, and an unbreakable rhythm. An industrial machine isn't just a lifeless block of metal. It's the result of thousands of hours of research, millions of lines of code, in the hands of those who've been shaped by bolts, oil, and passion. Look at the automated assembly line. Each robotic arm moves faster than the human eye can follow, yet never in chaos. Every action is timed to the millisecond. Every sensor, every stepper motor, listens to the rhythm of the system, like an orchestra that never misses a beat. That's automation technology, elevated to an art form. And behind it all are smart tools, machines that learn, sense, and optimize every tiny move. A CNC drill that adjusts its pressure based on material hardness. A robotic arm that can feel the exact moment a weld reaches perfection. And humans? They're not replaced. They've become conductors, leading a colossal orchestra of steel with intelligence and creativity. What makes these satisfying machines so mesmerizing isn't just their flawless motion, it's the meaning behind them. They symbolize control over chaos, the human drive to master matter through logic and imagination.
A steel folding machine that runs for hundreds of hours without a single error. That's proof that in the modern world, perfection is possible. When we watch a factory machine compilation, we're not just watching mechanics in motion. We're witnessing human intelligence forged into steel, plastic, lasers, and data. This is where technology becomes the universal language of progress. Every hiss of a hydraulic cylinder, every flash from a laser cutter, every rotation, perfectly in sync. They all remind us of one truth. Technology isn't here to replace us. It's how we push the limits of what we can become. So if you love technology, perfection, and the mesmerizing rhythm of smart machines, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. Because in this video and this story, we're diving deep into the most extraordinary factory machines on Earth, living proof that when humans and technology move as one, there are no limits. Amid the roar of machines and the rhythmic dance of robotic arms, it's easy to forget one simple truth. Behind every factory machine, every industrial beast, every smart tool, there's always a human quietly guiding it all. Without human hands, there is no perfection. Without the human mind, there is no automation technology. A machine only becomes smart when someone teaches it how to move. That's the art hidden within engineering, where passion and creativity blend seamlessly with logic and precision. Picture this, a mechanical engineer sitting before a CNC screen at midnight. The blue glow of the monitor reflects off his sweat-covered face. He's not just programming a cutting command,
He's crafting a perfect motion. And when the blade touches steel, that sharp, piercing sound rings out like music, a melody only those who love machines truly understand. It's the pride of those who stand behind the production line, a love for precision, for the tiny details most people will never notice. Those factory machine compilations we find so satisfying, for engineers, they're the result of thousands of trials and just as many errors, because they know behind perfection lies perseverance. And that's what makes technology more human than ever. When you watch a satisfying machine at work, you're witnessing humanity's philosophy in motion. Perfection isn't luck, it's the result of intelligence, persistence, and the belief that we can always do better than yesterday. We don't just build machines, we build belief that technology can bring beauty, precision, and emotion together. So the next time you watch a video of factory machines or smart tools, remember, behind every flawless movement, there's not just machinery, but the soul of the one who made it come alive. The noise begins to fade. Only the slow hum of the machines remains, metal cooling under the red glow of the factory lights. But in that silence, what do you feel? It's not just technology, it's human power, the force that made steel breathe and machines move to the rhythm of our heartbeat. The world of factory machines isn't a cold realm of iron and steel. It's a living portrait of human evolution. From the first hand-cranked gears to AI-driven smart tools, we've come a long way. Not just to work faster, but to turn technology into art. Every motion inside an industrial machine is proof of that ambition. Every robotic arm that lifts material, every laser that slices through steel, they don't just make products. They declare humans can master perfection. When you watch a factory machine compilation, you're not just watching a video. You're witnessing civilization in motion, watching how humans communicate with machines through logic, emotion, and an unstoppable drive to move forward. That's what makes us different. Machines can remember, they can calculate, they can automate, but only humans can dream. We look at metal, at data, at beams of laser light, and we see a future we can reach. The future of automation technology isn't about replacing people. It's about amplifying human intelligence. When machines carry the weight, we gain the freedom to imagine, design, and push the limits even further. So when you watch these satisfying machines move in flawless harmony, remember, you're not just seeing mechanical beauty. You're hearing the music of progress, the heartbeat of modern industry pulsing in unison. Hit like if you feel the beauty of technology. Subscribe if you believe that every mechanical motion carries a soul. And share this spirit, the spirit of those who never stop creating, never stop advancing. Because in the end, it's not the machines we build that matter most, it's the people who build them. Machines don't build the future, people do. The machines are just the tools, but it's human intelligence and passion that power the true engine of the modern industrial age.